Hello everyone, this is Hima here, your best friend from Blackboard Learners. So now in the continuation of these videos, I'm going to explain factual description. Factual description in the sense कि some facts which will describe about the person or something. Okay, so the facts which will describe to something or someone, that is factual description. और इट्स अ पीस ऑफ राइटिंग. ओके, जैसे हम लेटर राइटिंग करते हैं, मैसेज राइटिंग करते हैं, नोटिस राइटिंग करते हैं, ईमेल राइटिंग करते हैं, सेम लाइक दिस इज आल्सो अ पीस ऑफ राइटिंग. Means by learning the factual description, we will improve our writing skill. The factual description is a piece of writing that describes a person, place, a thing as a process or factually. किसी भी तरह से किसी पर्सन के बारे में, किसी चीज के बारे में कुछ फैक्ट डिस्क्राइब करना is called factual description. In such a manner, students need to write a short paragraph. इसमें क्या होता है, one particular topic will be given and students have to write the paragraph and must keep in mind that their ideas and concepts should be arranged in a logical matter. आप जो भी लिखेंगे किसी particular topic पर, आपके आइडियाज जो होंगे उससे रिलेटेड वो एक प्रॉपर कॉन्सेप्ट होना चाहिए, लॉजिकल होना चाहिए. आपके आइडियाज एक प्रॉपर लॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज होना चाहिए. बिफोर बिगिनिंग, स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट थिंक carefully and can use following key points. Some points I'm going to give you here in the next slide. That points you can use to describe the particular thing or person which you are going to describe. When you describe a person, use these things. Okay, some points are there which you can use. First, we have to write the name. Okay, to the particular persons, if we are going to describe the particular person, then we need to write the name first. Profession, occupation or job, what are they, that the person you are going to explain or factually describe, what are they related to, like profession and occupation, that you have to write. And looks, like color of the hair, height, color of the skin, body structure and health and build. किस तरह से उनका body structure है, color क्या है, whatever things, means each and everything you can describe. Character description you can give, and character description जब आप देंगे तो it should not be negative. The opinion of others about him or her, the particular person to whom you are going to describe. Factually आप जिसको describe करने जा रहे हैं particular person को, आप उनके बारे में दूसरों के views भी लिख सकते हैं. And any other points which you think that should be described, आपको कुछ लगता है कि और भी points हैं जो describe किए जाना चाहिए, तो that also you can describe. So these are the simple things which you can use while describing a particular person. You may use these points too, which some more points I'm going to give you here to describe the people. आप उन points को भी use कर सकते हैं किसी भी person को describe करने में. Like age, young, teenager, middle aged और elderly, किस तरह की age के हैं वो, that you can describe. Height, short heighted है, taller है या medium heighted है, whatever they are you can describe as a height. Okay, height wise you can describe. Face किस तरह का है, round face है, square है, oval है, wide है या triangle है, इस तरह के shapes होते हैं exactly. तो आप the particular person you are going to describe, उसको आप इसमें particularly describe कर सकते हैं कि उनका face कैसा है, body structure क्या है, build कैसा है, slim trim है या plump है थोड़े से, या fat है, skinny है, किस तरह का उनका body structure है, that also you can describe. So these points will help you to describe particular person which you are going to describe. ये सारे points आपको help करेंगे जब हम इनको describe करते हैं, जब हम इनको extend करते हैं इन points को, then the sentence formation will be there. हमारे जो sentence बनेंगे that will improve our writing skill. वो हमारी writing skills को improve करते हैं. Body color, shape of eyes, color of eyes and shape of eyes also you can describe, like green color hai, blue color hai, black hai, brown hai, large hai, narrow hai, whatever color are there of their eyes, that also you can describe. आप hair describe कर सकते हैं, straight hairs हैं, curly हैं, wavy हैं, whatever are they. Kinds of clothes means किस तरह के clothes वो पहनते हैं, tidy, smart, dirty और casual, ठीक है, whatever their attire is आप describe कर सकते हैं, किस तरह का उनका dressing sense है, that also you can describe. Footwear, shoes पहनते हैं या slippers में रहते हैं, sandals में या athlete shoes पहनते हैं, तो whatever they wear the things, आप उनको describe कर सकते हैं, particularly according to the points. These all points will help you to describe. इससे आपकी writing skills improve होगा जब आप इन particular points को whenever you will think over that and you will make your sentences, तो definitely it will require some vocabulary, and vocabulary आपको help करेगी आपके sentence formation में. Whenever you will form these sentences, तो आपकी grammatically correct होंगे sentences. जब आप grammatically correct sentences बनाएंगे, then it will help you to improve your grammar. Description on the topic. Suppose I have taken one topic here, that is my best friend. So my best friend, on this topic I have written many points, like my best friend is Anna. First I said ki we have to write the name, so I have written the name. My best friend's name is Anna. Okay, she's my school time friend and we are good friends since nursery class. हम कब से साथ पढ़ रहे हैं, that I have written. She's a smart, intelligent girl. She has a fair skin with bright features and she has black eyes with dimple cheeks. Dimple cheeks, like this. So, and I like her lovely long flowing hairs, very long hairs she has. So I like that, and she has a beautiful height. She loves classical music and can dance very well and played piano very beautifully. Means these are the qualities of her, these are the some which type of character she is, that I'm describing. And she is very entertaining, she is very jolly in the nature and helpful in the nature. Okay, she understands me well and is always ready to help me whenever I asked. जब भी मुझे लगता है तब वो मेरी हमेशा मदद के लिए ready रहती है. And during weekends we go outside in parks and temples to enjoy and to discuss many things. Means हम weekly जरूर मिलते हैं, and I'm sure we will remain good friends forever because we love and care for each other. And I believe कि हम एक साथ हमेशा रहेंगे because हम एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं, एक दूसरे की केयर करते हैं, एक दूसरे का रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. So just we are the best friends. Now I have written here some more points, topics that you can describe to improve yourself. Describe these topics in your words, in your English, in your easy English. Okay, you can describe these all points in your easy language. Okay, whenever you will start making sentences, definitely you will try to understand what to write. You will think over it what to write. So first, to improve your writing skill, you just need to start writing in your easy language, in the easy formation of the sentences. Okay, then whenever you will keep on practicing, then you will easily you can improve your writing skill. Okay, some points are there which you can improve. Dekho, mother is there, and your room, and your school, your computer, the computer, these all things are there which we met every day, जिनसे हम daily मिलते हैं. तो mother is always around us, you can describe easily. It will help you a lot to improve your writing skill. And classroom, your room, to describe your room is very easy because you are always there in the room. So it's very easy to make the sentence related to your room, your school, and your computer, the computer. Okay, so these all things are there which we are around these all things. So it's very easy to describe, और आप इनको easily describe कर सकते हैं. आपके sentence formation जब होंगे, then you can improve your writing. जब आपकी writing improve होगी, writing in the sense की writing skill, आपकी vocabulary, आपके sentences, आपकी grammar, each and everything will improve by this practicing. Okay, so keep on practicing. And Last but not the least, these are your choices. These are your choices, but you have no choice. You have to do these: like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon so that you can get, earlier, you can get first all the things whatever we are posting here, and all the videos whatever we are uploading. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Hema Sharma, your best friend from Blackboard Learners. Thank you.